Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I've just got a tkmaxx haul and a home bargains haul. Now, if you've seen my lives, you will have seen the majority of these products, I think, but I'm going to show you anyway. Let me just check I've no lipstick on my tooth. Right, so first of all, let me show you the best thing that I got. It is absolutely adorable and so me. Now if you know, you know. But look at that. How could I leave that? Now it's my own fault for going upstairs to homeware. I don't normally go upstairs to homeware, but because I was doing the live, I just wanted to show you guys around. And I saw this. I saw a pink one, like I think it had kind of a light pink bow, and it was a little bit darker down here. So this is traditional Minnie Mouse with the black and red bow. So I wanted to get this one. I've been saying it's Mickey Mouse, but Mickey Mouse doesn't wear a red bow. What does it say on it? Nothing really. But yeah, it is absolutely beautiful, and I just had to get it. You know why? Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, they're my favourite characters, and I thought I could put my cleanser in it. If I feel like it's getting too dirty, my mum's like, oh, it'll get really dirty really quickly. If I feel like that about it, I'm just going to put it on display in here, and I'll just take this off, because you can take it off, and I'll use it as a little ornament. I mean, come on. You're so cute. Talking to a soap dispenser. So that one was $9.99, and yes, it's pretty expensive for a soap dispenser, but it's Disney, it's Minnie Mouse, you know, of course I was going to get it. I probably would have got it if it was just Mickey Mouse. I like the heart designs here as well, and on the bow. I feel like it was worth that £9.99. And if you're wondering what lipstick I've got on, wonder no more. So I saw this Gxve lipstick by Gwen Stefani. It says it's the Extra Sauce Longwear Vinyl Liquid Lipstick. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. It's got... there's a shine there. Oh, it's... Right, so... It's maybe... I'm just going to kiss the back of my hand and see if this transfers. No, it doesn't transfer. That's pretty cool. I've never used a vinyl before, but I think it's gonna be a little bit like the Maybelline ones. Look, watch. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So anyway, I wasn't planning on kissing my own hand in this video. This one is in Original Recipe. Don't think you're gonna see it. And they do a bullet form, like a matte bullet form lipstick. She has got quite a few different finishes in this lipstick, and I came across this. I saw it on the website for £10. I think it was £12 originally on the website, then they put it down to £10, and I came across this in the clearance for £6. No, I can't leave that for £6. This was the only one that was there. Let me show you what it looks like. So that's kind of the packaging. Then that's the wand. It's really, really nice. It's really precise. And then that's the product. I don't think you're getting that much product. But I just wanted to try it for £6. It would be rude not to, right? I don't normally go in for all these glosses. Although it is a gloss when you eat, it's not going to kind of slide all over the place. So you're getting 4 grams in this. So that's that. Really, really happy to have it. On Sephora it's £20 and the bullet one is £22. I probably will get the bullet lipstick at some point, but maybe in a sale. So that's that. Then I saw this. This was a steal actually. So it's the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I would not pay, it says regular retail price £10. It's way more than that, or it used to be. I got it for $3.99. Let's open it up. It's in the original. I used to use this all the time. So I used to use this all the time and I didn't like it. When I say I used to use them all the time, I think I got a sample of it with a palette. I think it was my Urban Decay Naked palette. So again, it looks like that in the original packaging. Yeah, it's full size. That would be way more than £10, I think. I'm going to have to look that up because I think they're wrong about the price. And it's like it said in the live, tkmaxx offers 70% off, and I think that's why it's only £3.99. They could have sold that for way more. Probably would have paid like £6-7 for this, because I do need a new eyeshadow base for when I've run out of the one that I've got. I don't have too many eyeshadow bases. I only have one in at a time, so that's that. And then I think I've only got 2 more things. So I got these from Primark, these hair grips. I needed some, so they were £1. I got this Sunkissed Peachy Glow Lip Oil from Bodycare. I don't have any lip oils at the moment and my lips are always getting dry, so I thought I could put this beside my bed. So there's that, and then I bought this face palette to try. So it's the Sunkissed Copper Crush face palette, and I thought I could try that and see what that looks like. It looks really, really pretty, especially these 2 blushes here. I don't think I'll be able to get away with this one, but this one I should be able to get away with it. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Do I need another face palette? Of course not. Of course I don't. But yeah, I thought I would give that a go. And then I've just got 2 more things. So I saw these. I actually got these from Heron and not Home Bargains. So I saw these and I can't wait to try these. It's definitely cheaper than going to Costa for a coffee. You get 6 for £2. Salted caramel latte. I think I'll have one tomorrow in my live and kind of let you guys know how they are. They had all different ones, mochachinos, lattes, just normal lattes. They had this and a few others. So that's that. And then in Home Bargains, so I bought some fresh chocolate donuts in Home Bargains, and they're at my mum's because we're going to eat them tonight and probably tomorrow. And then I came across this in Home Bargains for £1.99. It should have been £10. So it said on the label that it normally goes for £10. And the Home Bargains I went to was much bigger than the local Home Bargains in the city centre. So I really, really enjoyed going in there and doing that live for you guys. And I came across this. So basically what it is a serum and a primer. So what they're saying is you can use it as a serum and a primer, or just a serum or just a primer. So it says helps replenish skin's moisture, can be used as a primer under makeup, and it's got a subtle shimmer. Now it says apply 2 to 3 drops to a clean face morning or night before using a moisturiser. To use as a primer, apply 1 to 2 drops before applying makeup. Let's see what it looks like, shall we? I did get it out in the live to show Jane, because I'm like, Jane, have you tried it? Because Jane's tried most skincare that I kind of want to try. And she said she hadn't. So it's that. It's the Superfruit Extract antioxidant rich serum and primer. It's vegan and cruelty free. You get 30ml or 1.01 fluid ounce. Let's see. Let's shake it up and let's see where the shimmer is. Oh, I can see it. Ooh, it's like phlegm. Right. So that's about 1 drop there. Let's see. Oh, it smells divine. Jane, if you watch this, you probably... Right, we're going to use this in my live tomorrow. You might be in the live. Right, so I can't smell a lot, but I can smell this. It smells divine. Now, if you're sensitive to scents, you're not going to like it, I don't think. If you are sensitive to scents, that is. See, oh my gosh, it's so nice. Right, so loving that. And that's it, guys. The rest of the things were pretty boring, household stuff. I got a few things for friend mailboxes. Yeah, so I spent an absolute fortune, much more than I anticipated by going. But that's what I get for going to the better tkmaxx. I could have spent more. I could have quite easily spent more. I did put a makeup product back. If you go and watch that live, you'd see which one I put back. It was a little bit like this. This was much cheaper. So it was a little bit like this in the fact that it had 2 marble like products in it, and then it had a highlighter. They were all marbled actually. So in that Wiccan palette, they were all marbled. I'm just concerned about this one here. I just feel like for me it'll be too dark, but I should be able to use these 3 products here. I feel like that is absolutely gorgeous packaging, absolutely gorgeous. This, I mean, this was the only one that they had. They didn't have a lighter one. And like I said, I only really wanted it for the baked products like these 2 here, and then that blush is really, really pretty. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know whether I'm going to do a first impressions with it or whether I'm going to pull it into a Shop My Stash. There's a couple of palettes that I want to try in the next Shop My Stash. There's my Dior highlighter palette. That definitely has to come out because I really don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, I'm not mad keen on it. Oh yeah, I wanted to pull my Kevin Aquan one out, but I might also pull this out just so I've got choices. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave this here. Like I said, there's not much for me to show you. I tried to be a little bit tame, but I did actually spend quite a bit of money. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Please like it, really does help the channel grow and I massively appreciate it. Share and comment, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.